Welcome back, student. Today we are going to study some problems of physics. Let's have brainstorming over the problem first. The resistance of a conductor of length x is R. If its area of cross section is A, what is its resistivity? What is its unit? First we'll write what is given. The length of the conductor is equal to x. The resistance of the conductor is equal to small r. Area of cross section of the conductor is given and it is small a. What is the resistivity? Resistivity of the material of the conductor we have to find. My dear student, we all know that resistance of a wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire and inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the wire. This we can write resistance If we remove the sign of proportionality, we have to put is equal to and we'll put a constant. This constant is resistivity of a wire or a conductor into L upon A. We'll take A to the other side of the equation. A R is equal to resistivity of the material of the conductor into length of a conductor. We will take length of the conductor L to the other side of the equation. So resistivity of the material of the conductor is equal to AR upon L. My dear student, we have got the formula resistivity of the material of the conductor is equal to AR upon L. Here A is the area of cross section of the conductor. R is the resistance of the conductor. L is the length of the conductor, and rho is the resistivity of the material of the conductor. Now we'll put the value. Rho is equal to AR upon L. Resistivity of a material is equal to A, area of cross section of a conductor is small a. R, resistance of the conductor is small r. Length of the conductor is x. Therefore, resistivity of a material of conductor is equal to AR upon x. Answer. The resistivity of the conductor is AR upon X, and the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. This is the answer. That's all, student. Will stop here. The next problem. Let's have brainstorming over the problem first. The resistance of a 1 meter long micron wire is 6 ohm. If we reduce the length of the wire to 70 centimeter, what will its resistance be? Given. Initial length L1 of the wire is equal to 1 meter. Initial resistance R1 of the wire is equal to 6 ohm. Reduce length L2 of the wire 70 centimeter. My dear student, this centimeter we have to convert into meter. Meter, centimeter. 1 meter, 100 centimeter. 70 centimeter, x meter. We will do the cross multiplication. 100x is equal to 70. X is equal to 70 divided by 100. 0, 0. X is equal to 7 by 10. Ten, 0 the 0 minus 7.0, 10, 7 the 70, 0, 0. So x is equal to 0.7 meter. Therefore, reduce length L2 of the wire is equal to 0.7 meter. Resistance of the wire whose length is reduced, that is R2, we have to find. My dear student, we all know that resistance of a wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire and inversely proportional to the cross section area of the wire. Now, if you want to remove the proportionality sign, what we do? R is equal to constant L by A. Here, the resistivity of the material of the wire, that is rho, and the area of cross section A of both the wire of initial length and reduced length is the same. Therefore, we can write R1 is equal to rho into L1 upon A is the resistance of initial length wire. R2 is equal to resistivity of a material into L2 upon A is the resistance of reduced length wire. Divide the above equation. R1 divided by R2 is equal to rho into L1 upon A divided by rho into L2 divided by A. R1 upon R2 is equal to rho into L1 upon A multiplication. So division we have converted into multiplication. So the other value will be reciprocal. So we can write A upon rho into L2. Here the resistivity of the material and the area of cross section of both the wire is same. So rho will get cancelled, A will get cancelled. R1 upon R2 is equal to L1 upon L2. We will take the cross multiplication. R2 into L1 is equal to R1 into L2. R2 into L1 is equal to R1 into L2. We have to find resistance, that is R2. Therefore, R2 is equal to R1 into L2 divided by L1. Now we'll put the value. Therefore, R2 is equal to R1. R1 is 6 into L2. L2 is into 0.7 divided by L1. L1 is 1. R2 is equal to 6 into 0.7 upon 1. R2 is equal to 6 into 0.7 into 10 divided by 10. We have multiplied it by 10 and divided it by 10 to remove the point. So point will be removed. R2 is equal to 6 into 7 divided by 10. R2 is equal to 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42. 42 divided by 10. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 5 is 10. R2 is equal to 21 by 5. Twenty-one, 5, 4 is 20 minus 1.05, 2 is 10, 0, 0. R2 is equal to 4.2. R2 is resistance of the wire. So the unit of resistance is ohm. Answer: the resistance of the wire whose length is reduced is 4.2 ohm. That's all, students. We stop here.